The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition marks the return of one of the most refined names in the mid-size maxi-scooter segment. Long celebrated as the elegant athlete, the Burgman 400 continues to balance premium comfort, confident performance, and real-world practicality. For 2026, Suzuki elevates the formula further by introducing a global special edition identity through the exclusive Commuter Pack, transforming the Burgman 400 into a true executive commuter designed for riders who demand sophistication without compromise. At its core, the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition remains a luxury maxi scooter engineered for daily versatility. The updated presentation focuses on refined aesthetics, improved rider confidence, and factory-approved accessories that blur the line between standard production and limited special edition status. This approach positions the Burgman 400 not merely as transportation, but as a premium lifestyle machine for urban and suburban environments alike. Performance and mechanical refinement. Powering the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition is a proven 400cc four-stroke liquid-cooled single-cylinder DOHC engine designed to deliver strong low to mid-range torque. With an 81.0mm bore and 77.6mm stroke, the engine emphasizes smooth acceleration and effortless cruising rather than aggressive top-end output. Paired with a CVT automatic transmission and V-belt final drive, the Burgman 400 offers seamless power delivery that excels in stop-and-go city traffic while remaining composed at highway speeds. Fuel delivery is handled by Suzuki Fuel Injection with dual spark technology, ensuring efficient combustion, smooth throttle response, and excellent fuel economy for a premium maxi scooter 2026 in this class. This refined drivetrain reinforces the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition as an executive commuter built for comfort-driven performance rather than raw sportiness. Chassis, suspension, and braking confidence. The chassis setup of the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 continues to prioritize stability and rider confidence. Up front, a 41mm telescopic fork with 110mm of travel absorbs urban road imperfections with ease, while the rear link-type monoshock features 7-way adjustable preload, allowing riders to fine-tune comfort based on load and riding style. This balanced suspension setup delivers a planted feel that distinguishes the Burgman from lighter, less composed competitors. Performance braking is a key strength of the Burgman 400 Special Edition, featuring dual 260mm front disc brakes and a single 210mm rear disc, all supported by standard dual-channel ABS. This system provides consistent stopping power and enhanced safety, reinforcing the Burgman's reputation as a premium maxi scooter suitable for daily commuting and longer distance travel. The wheel configuration, with a 15-inch front wheel and a 13-inch rear wheel, further enhances stability and predictable handling at higher speeds. Premium ergonomics and everyday comfort. Comfort remains a defining characteristic of the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition. The seat height is set to an accessible 755mm, making the scooter friendly for a wide range of rider heights while maintaining a commanding riding position. The stepped seat is generously padded and complemented by an adjustable rider backrest with a range of approximately 15 to 30mm, offering personalized comfort for extended journeys. The slim bodywork design allows easy foot reach to the ground, while the larger front wheel contributes to motorcycle-like stability during highway cruising. These ergonomic advantages reinforce the Burgman's status as a luxury commuter that prioritizes rider well-being without sacrificing confidence or control. Advanced rider aids and smart features. Technology plays an increasingly important role in defining the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition. The model is equipped with a rider-selectable traction control system, providing additional reassurance on slippery or unpredictable road surfaces. Combined with the Suzuki Easy Start system, the Burgman 400 delivers a user-friendly riding experience that feels refined and intuitive in daily use. These electronic rider aids position the Burgman 400 as one of the most sophisticated scooters in the mid-size segment, aligning with its premium pricing and executive image. Intelligent storage solutions. Practicality remains a cornerstone of the Suzuki Burgman 400 luxury identity. Under the seat, a spacious 42-liter storage compartment accommodates 2 helmets, 1 full-face and 1 demi-jet, making it ideal for commuting or weekend errands. Additional front storage compartments provide convenient access for smaller items, with an integrated 12-volt DC outlet allowing riders to charge smartphones, navigation devices, or other electronics while on the move. This intelligent storage layout ensures the 2026 Burgman 400 Special Edition remains as functional as it is elegant. Special Edition Commuter Pack enhancements. What truly defines the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition is the factory-supported Commuter Pack, which effectively serves as the model's Special Edition configuration in global markets. This premium accessory suite transforms the Burgman 400 into a true touring-ready executive scooter. The package includes a large 47-liter top case finished with anodized aluminum accents, dramatically increasing cargo capacity while enhancing the scooter's premium appearance. Heated grips with multiple heating settings provide comfort during cold weather commuting, while integrated knuckle covers offer additional protection from wind and rain. Optional graphic decal kits in blue and black or red and gray further sharpen the scooter's visual identity, giving the Burgman 400 Special Edition a more assertive and exclusive presence on the road. Pricing, availability, and market position. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition is scheduled to arrive in dealerships in early 2026. In the United States, pricing is expected to start at approximately $8,949, while UK and European markets are projected to begin around £7,199. Suzuki dealers in select regions may offer the Commuter Pack as a promotional bundle during the launch period, delivering significant added value by including premium accessories at no additional cost. With its blend of luxury, safety, and real-world usability, the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 400 Special Edition solidifies its position as one of the most refined and desirable premium maxi-scooters available, appealing to riders who seek executive comfort without abandoning everyday practicality.